So, a lot of you guys has been asking, where the heck is Yokai Battlegrounds? Yup, you guessed it, it's never coming out.
Words like tidal waves will
Just kidding. We are turning it into a RPG. So today I made the basic framework for the game. Yes, you heard it right. A framework. Finally, I have learned how to make actual frameworks, unlike old voiceless. Also, I added the walking and idles and stuff, you know, all that good stuff. And also I used nicked, but voiceless. Nicked is outdated. Bro, I don't care. Shut up. It's another beautiful day to add violence to the game. And that's exactly what I did. As you can see, we got the M1s, but no knockback currently, and all that good stuff. Let's just take time to appreciate the dev team. Like, look at this cool heat VFX and the animations, pretty slick. And also our builders are working hard on a map. It's huge. I see you asking back there. Yeah, yes you. Wait, this map isn't in the anime. It will all make sense. The lore goes deep. That's all I can say. Also, join our Discord server for updates and game sneaks. All that good stuff. And chatting with the community. We also got like Robux giveaways and game nights and all that good stuff. So, what are you waiting for? Join! Yes sir, we got a new map. Our Peters loved in and made this in a single day. How crazy is that? Also, I added dashing and knockback to the last M1, you know what I mean? And fix some bugs as usual. Here are some sneaks which we made in our let's say off-camera mining section. So, it's the day 6 or 7. So I added blocking and AR dash. So you guys can park around the map, you know what I mean? And also I added the inventory system. It's still work in progress though. But you can drag stuff around like Minecraft, you know what I mean? Heavily inspired by Deep Open, by the way. There's also this pop-up thingy. Also, Robix made this boss model from season 1. If you know, you know. And also this boxing guy from season 1 or maybe 2, I don't really know. He also made these cool looking armor sets, pretty sick. So that's kind of it for today. I mean, last 3 days. Yeah, see you next day. So today I improved the inventory system by adding, like, splitting and stacking. Also the stack limit is 6-7. Get it? Anyways, also Robix made this cool weapon. It's not from the Underground, but but we adding it anyways because it's cool, and it's a curse weapon, like, you know what I mean, whatever they call it in JJK, also we hired like a friend of mine to make the 2D clothing. We plan to have 2D and 3D armor, like in Deep Spoken you got like the inner clothing part like 2D, and the jacket and like cap, hats and stuff, blah blah blah. Also we got some map progress going on, pretty cool stuff. Yeah, that's kind of it for today. Yeah. So it's the day 9, I think. So today I added the critical attack. It's pretty cool. I made the VFX, and the animation was made by Robix. It's pretty slick. Robix and AV Gamer, the other model, made these 2 daggers for the game. Pretty slick. And the builders made this area of the map. This is the main base or the lobby area, like, people hang out more often in this area. And I added extra VFX for the knockback. That's kind of it for today.
Early the next morning.
Yes, sir. We got a new map. It's more of an update to the last map than like a whole new map. Yeah, we got the Turbo Granny cave, I mean the tunnel up there on the mountains. There's like a road going around the mountain. Pretty big stuff actually. It's absolutely simple, Also, I've made this wall hit, wall bang, thingy majunk. It's like when you get knocked back to the wall, you get like, you see what I mean. Also, our modelers made another dagger. I don't know why they make daggers anymore. Don't ask me on that. Anyways, we made a little GUI in the left for all the noobs out there that doesn't know the controls. I might make it closer later, like a keybind or something. And we got this cool dagger animation. It's pretty peak. Yeah, it's aura. I don't really understand why they make it dagger so much. Anyways, we got a cool boss moves like the from season 1. It's like the sumo boss, like the sumo kick and stuff. Here are some past work we did, like we got some animation sneaks, like we didn't really show it in the Discord. It's like video exclusive, you know what I mean. We got some evil eye moves and some Momo moves. Momo, I mean the psychic, you know what I mean. And we got Grandma Seiko bat moves. I mean, that's it for today. Like, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I was thinking of hosting a testing section with the testers, tomorrow. If you want to be tested, join the Discord link in the description. What are you doing?
Join now.
That's it for today. I'm out.
Since y'all done obviously forgot, got something for you. Here, take this, take this!
Let's get straight to it.
What is an RPG game without block, parry, dodge? Am I right? Yep. So we got 2 of them, like blocking and dodging. But today I added parry to the game. By right clicking, you can parry your enemies' attacks and like knock them back. You can knock them back to like a wall too if you want. Like, and our builders made this cool map. This is the school from Dandran, you know what I mean. It's pretty cool, yeah. You can see like the area. And our modelers made this weapon as well. It's look like the gut sword from you know what I mean. What better way to end the video other than
But how? Why can I not attack or do anything? Like, all the are ready. Motions ready. I'm gonna do the egg dance. Ready? Go the egg dance. Go the egg dance. Ooh.
I'm gonna kill you. What I get when I have the ability to attack.
No.
Bro, just your voice is trying to punch me.
So that's kind of it for today. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, join Discord server, do everything, you know what I mean. This video is inspired by this guy on the screen right now. So if you like this video, go check his video out as well. It's pretty peak. Also, the beta version of the game is out right now. You can play it right now. It's just the combat system and couple of moves and stuff, that's it for me. I'm out. Peace.
To say my grace. I'm just an emo boy with no kind of plan.